lights off when you go. I don't wanna know. Keep some flowers for your hair. I don't care. Beam the bright sun down the road on your ride back home.
Dear Brittney, I don't think I've ever been so nervous in my life. We have been through so much together, and this is our day. No matter what happens, to me, it will be the best day of my life. I couldn't imagine being up here with anyone else. I hope you know how proud I am of you for making this such a beautiful day. You are my everything, my rock, and I cannot wait to see how perfect you look in your dress. Love, Keali'i.
Keali'i, today's the day. Today is our day. I love you more than words will ever be able to describe. I'm grateful every day you came into my life and have blessed me with two beautiful girls. The last 4 years we have grown so much together, and I cannot wait to see what the future has in store for our family. I cannot wait to see you and see how handsome you look. I'm so excited to be your wife and to start this next chapter in our lives. Cheers to us, babe. Can't wait to see you, kiss you, and celebrate. Love you forever, Brittney.
Leave the lights off when you go. I don't wanna know.
Good afternoon and welcome to this happy occasion, finally, of the wedding of Keali'i Chun and Brittney Vela. As many of you know, their ceremony couldn't come at a better time. With all that's been happening this year, we're all ready for the year 2020 to end with this joyous event.
I promise to always put our family first, to be the husband you deserve, to comfort you when things get tough. I will never turn my back on us and never abandon you. When things get bad, I will never spend the night away from you. And finally, to never turn down a massage request. To forever and always, I love you.
You turn my darkness into blue. Now I'm feeling
As we embark on this new journey together, I promise to love you through all the peaks and valleys of our life. I promise to always push you to be the best version of you and help you accomplish your goals. I promise to love you unconditionally even on the days you feel you don't deserve it. You are my best friend, and I will love you and our girls unconditionally for the rest of my life.
By the power vested in me by the state of Georgia, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You make us your bride.
guilty of being a little protective of one another. But there is nobody else I would rather pass the best friend torch to than Keali'i. I'm not gonna lie, in the beginning, Keali'i and I did not want to share our Brittney. But I can stand here today and look at you and truly know that there is nobody else Brittney could do this amazing adventure with. Here's to the past for all that you've learned together. Here's to the present for all that you share right now. And here's to the future for all that you've got to look forward to. To Britt and Keali'i.